Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. Because we are part and parcel of Krishna. Krishna is Aja. Aja means who has no birth and death. So we are also Aja. How we can be otherwise? If I am Krishna's part and parcel, the same example we can see. If my father is happy, so I am the son of my father, why I shall be unhappy? This is natural conclusion. Because I will enjoy my father's property as my father is enjoying. Similarly, God is all powerful, Krishna is all powerful, all beautiful, all knowledge, everything complete. So I may not be complete, but because I am part and parcel, so I have got all the qualities of God in part and parcel. It is not that. So God does not die, He is Aja. So I also will not die. This is my position. And that is explained in the Bhagavad Gita. Na jayate na mriyate va kadachit. When he is describing about the soul, Krishna says that the soul is never born. Na jayate, na mriyate. And if one is not born, how he can die? There is no question of death. Death is for a thing which has got a birth. If one has no birth, there is no question of death. Na jayati, na mriyati va. So we are part and parcel of Krishna. As Krishna is Aja, we are also Aja. That we do not know. This is ignorance. This is ignorance. They are making scientific researches, but they do not know that every living entity is spirit, soul. He has no birth, he has no death, he is eternal, nitya, sasatayam, everlasting, Purana, all the oldest. Na hannate, the conclusion, na hannate hannamane sarire. So after the annihilation of this body, the soul does not die. He accepts another body. This is our disease. This is called bhavarog. Bhavarog means material disease. So Krishna, being the supreme living entity, nitya nityanam chetana chetananam, Krishna is exactly like us, or we are imitation of Krishna. The difference is Krishna is Vibhu, unlimited, and we are Anu, we are limited. That is the difference. Otherwise, qualitatively, we are as good as Krishna. Therefore, whatever propensities Krishna has, we have got all these propensities. Krishna has the propensity to love the other sex. Therefore, we have got this propensity to love the other sex. The beginning of love is there in Radha and Krishna, eternal love between Radha and Krishna. So we are also seeking eternal love, but because we are conditioned by the material laws, it is interrupted. It is interrupted. So if we become out of this interruption, then we get similar love affairs as Krishna and Radharani. So our business should be how to go back to home, back to Krishna. Because going to Krishna means Krishna is eternal, we get eternal. Just to become a secretary or even a servant of President Nixon, he is also big man. He becomes a big man. Because unless one has got some special quality, he cannot become personal servant of President Nixon or his secretary. It is not possible. Not ordinary man can become President Nixon's servant or secretary. Similarly, to go back to home, back to Godhead means you get the same type of body as Krishna has got. You become Aja. Aja Nitya Sasatayang. This is a disease that we are changing our body. So Krishna is Aja.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.